Hello everyone and welcome back to another professional prep video. In this video I am going to walk everyone through critical points. Now this is a really important topic to just extreme as a whole in calculus. Critical points, that's a phrase that you're going to hear a lot. So let me walk you through this. So say that we have this graph and then this graph is of none other than f prime. And our question is to find all critical points of f. So, as I've said before, we want to learn by examples here. So, the content here. Critical points occur when the derivative equals 0 or is undefined. So, in this case, we need to look for when f prime equals 0 or when f prime is undefined. So I'm looking for critical points on this interval from, I should specify this in the question, on this interval from -4 to 5. And we conveniently have a graph that stretches that same interval. So of f prime. We have f prime, which stretches that same interval. We have a graph of f prime. Sorry about the spacing here. Again, new software. Not that great at making it that neat, but sorry, this is what I have. Each dash represents, each mark represents 1 unit. So let's start solving this problem. This isn't that complex of a problem. We want to find all critical points of f on this interval. Well, we have a graph that spans that same interval, and we need to consider f prime to be what we are using for our topic here. In order to solve this problem, we need to consider f prime and where that equals 0. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's the thing. The derivative doesn't exist. I should say it's undefined, or it doesn't exist, I should say. So the derivative exists at every point on this interval. So this is now going to be, first of all I'm going to say f prime dne for does not exist, but either way, this option is now eliminated. That doesn't apply to this because it exists everywhere. So now we're left to consider this option where f prime equals 0. So that's a pretty quick option. So say we're looking for, let's say we're looking for the x coordinates for the critical points. Well, that's pretty easy. We have -3, 0, and 4. So that actually doesn't seem that difficult. And at the end of the day, it's really not in this case because we do have this graph to help us out. A graph of f prime that's defined everywhere on the interval we're looking for critical points on. So that was not that difficult of a consideration, but that is the process for finding critical points. You look for where the derivative does not exist or where the derivative equals 0. And in this case, that's going to happen when x is -3, 0, and 4. So that's all I have for you for this video on critical points. This is a very important topic in calculus, so please make sure that you understand, and if you do not, feel free to email us or leave a comment, and we will respond to you ASAP. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day.